fish this morning. I mean, that shit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
They got themselves. Hi, this is Kim.
No, everybody want me to do my original intro.
Yeah, what's up? What's not snapping?
That's not how you do it. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, my sister Kimon,
Hey.
her brother DJ, and me, Shawna K. Anyways, so yeah. So today's topic, guys, and to the title and to the thumbnail, so I already know what we're gonna do. Basically, we're gonna get a boy. Basically, like boy against girl. You know, boy's opinion versus girl opinion and stuff like that. Or what a girl would do versus what a boy would do. You understand?
Yep.
Before we jump into the video, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Follow me on Instagram at Shawna with 2S. Also, guys, want to go over to Kim channel and subscribe. Or it's going to be down in the description. Also, get up to 1,000 subscribers real quick.
Are you boosting me up and something? I look to see over there. Don't duck, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, and follow her on Instagram also at
Kimmy_official.
them now go find it so
Kimmy _official. KIIMII_official.
Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna do that real quick and come back and watch a video.
Why not come out with? Go on.
So DJ can't pay phone in so make the woman still react. Yeah, guys, so let's get it started. Kim won't have the question and she's gonna read it off her phone, guys. And also more phone opinion down in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. What is the first thing we have for you?
I bet nobody now gonna agree with me, just can't feel that from early. But so girl code versus guy code. Is girl code a real thing? And is guy code a real thing?
But I met DJ go first, guys. I'm not the only guy.
Yeah.
Bro code, of course real. Yeah, because well, I'm saying that way, yeah. Depends on which part of friendship there. Then we know which part of code thing there. You know, honestly, say for instance, you are your brethren a real G when you sit down sometime, drink and you know chat and laugh and then something there and friendship kind of strong, you know, kind of strong, very strong, you know. I want to know boobs. You know how to roll, how to do nothing. Yeah, so the like that I really want to put it out, so I say hey because they will look fit and then after they have their boyfriend. You know,
so you believe in a bro code?
Yeah, man.
Wait. So suppose I want kickers, I mean strong on a back, or I want slim nice little
Yeah, man.
and you're bridging like that, but you want.
That never happened to me.
That will never happen.
No,
Me
never.
not say never. Me not
That
say
will
never.
never happen.
Alright.
So what you think? What's your opinion on girl code?
Girl code is real, but
I know, but none of your friends them never.
first of all,
None of your friends them never give girl code for you. Keep everyone of them take your man.
don't say that me have good friends now when me have since me have
No, so none of your friends them never take your man. Yes.
Okay, hold on. I don't have a list of friends who I met in high school who are still friends today. I almost a friend, me not talk about we message me once a year because that's different. That's an acquaintance. If you're gonna message me once or twice a year, but me I talk about bridging. Me not have no bridging from high school. And of course the high school one I'm good at because I'm not smart and then
I'm not smart. You can't tell the girl them to take post you have one. Post them they like the boy first, but the boy they like you first and then decide to do with you.
The high school.
let us thank God for growth and puberty. And
That's what I say. High school
from that
something.
past that no I'm from me big now. I mean
Alright, I believe in a girl code for true because you say me and you, not saying that I have a lot of friends would I say yeah, but I have certain amount of friends who I say yo, that I'm a friend man. But other than that, if you don't like me and me not like you and me no say you man, me I take him.
once you put on take your face.
When him not put on once we not like each other, me I take him. And that me did one girl in high school.
Spite.
Yeah.
A purpose. You put on for
But
you.
me still not like her. And me see him right now, me still not gonna take him.
You like him still?
But no, me not like him, I just gonna take him. But other than that, I believe in a girl code.
That's nasty.
You know nasty. What
She
nasty?
raggedy.
Bougie.
Next question. Would you tell your family if you know? No. Would you tell your family's partner if you know? Like, would you tell my boyfriend that I'm cheating on him?
No. No.
Why?
I am my sister. I mean, me know you first. And at the end of the day, when you can break up and you go with the next girl, I still got the right as well. So,
Good sister better than pocket.
you know, I don't know, I'm sorry. As much as I rate up on a certain level, blood before water. That's just how I see it.
I think it's blood thicker than
Blood thicker than water.
Blood before.
blood thicker than water, you're
I see a thing, blood come first, then in water. But I'm gonna take your phone call. You see, that's why we can't tell.
Hello? Good morning.
Anyways, that is film 5 minutes of film. So,
You're moving on.
come over, yes, we're moving on. On to the next.
Alright.
Would you tell your sister that her boyfriend cheated on her?
Wait, would I tell my sister's partner or my sister?
Would you tell your sister partner?
No?
Would you tell your sister say your boyfriend cheated on her?
Then I must.
Me not do it. Objection, me not do it. You know?
Why wouldn't
no.
you tell me?
If I you are you. But me not do it from my other sister. Because, let me tell you an uncle story.
Would you want us to tell you if your girlfriend was cheating on you?
If she not tell me, yeah.
Which woman would I tell you?
First of all, I don't want nobody tell me.
No, I'm want to talk.
No,
If
listen.
you know.
If you know that he's cheating on me, persuade him to tell me. You see, okay, first of all, you know whatever people are saying, if you cheat me, I'm gonna left you. Versus some person saying if you cheat me, I probably forgive you. If somebody else tell me, if somebody else tell me you don't have a shot, and me and you there, you know, it doesn't get closer than you and I. So you're supposed to tell me. If you make somebody else tell me, even if me did not forgive you, it's not done this so.
You know what? Me not forgive because I'm very spiteful. So would I cheat back just to hurt you?
Cheat by the spirit, yo.
Yeah, would I cheat back just to hurt you?
Lie.
I'm very spiteful.
But I would too. I mean, why should you get to have all the fun?
I got me I said, me not experience other penises. We're injured at least, so she not have some of that, yes.
She not be your time.
Your chest tight. What is that?
Alright. Next question.
Mhm.
I'm still looking for it.
Things girl do, but afraid to admit it. What do you think? Things girl do DJ, but afraid to admit it.
Things do. Or
Things that girls do, but afraid to admit it.
Farting at them sleep.
Everybody fart.
In at them sleep. No.
when they sleep, snore. I don't know.
First of all,
I don't know.
how do you
don't
know
know.
if you're snoring?
Keep
You
it.
sleep.
Yes,
No.
snore.
No, but I don't like.
Don't sleep back with me.
No, but I don't like Kim. Kim, they not all one day. They ain't over here over this.
But then I need to know that.
Well, keep it on tight.
I don't like. But they in I all. I'm here talk on my phone. I'm only.
I clear, she did a clear actually.
I know that man. I know that me feel like I TV. You know, like when they turn TV and the TV go on the little static something there. So
Cut.
me feel like I that.
But when you come around on the next one,
But when that me come in a Kim room, me I say, God, what that? Me look at
I
our
can
TV,
explain,
our
okay?
TV lock off,
the
or everything.
explanation, you snore.
But
I
don't-
can explain.
Kim,
Okay?
Kim.
I took two, it was like 2 nights ago or 3 nights or 3 or 4 nights ago. I took 2 sleeping pills. Because
Even-
I always stay up late. So I take the dosage is 1, you know, and I take 2 because
Objection,
Your
Your Honor.
Honor. I
Objection.
want to drop asleep within an hour. I didn't even dream. I don't know what movie.
Objection, Your Honor.
No! Moving on. Next!
No, you take 2 sleeping pills, not 2 snoring pills.
And not even that too, because me sure once
Shut up.
upon a time.
Shut up.
Once upon a time,
Alright.
we didn't even go so boops and record you. And we
Yeah.
hear back and I say, you need to take the sleeping pill.
Right. Just you snore, Kim. We all
Yeah,
can
man.
admit to you.
Turn your face on and your mouth open so. Like
Yeah.
like you can fly.
You know like when them bags fall out of this towel and they lean up so. I saw you lean up, Kim.
Achoo. Achoo.
Well, this has short turned into getting to know Kim.
It into joking, but I don't lie. I don't lie.
Anyway, okay, fine. Out there, no everybody know business. Don't sleep on me hard. Moving on. Is there a limit to how many partners your partner should have had before reaching to you?
No.
Like what number you...
Oh, sorry.
Mhm.
Continue.
No?
Yeah.
Like how many persons, what's the limit of persons that he or she should be with before you?
Me never did a think about it like that.
What you mean?
Me never did a think about it like that.
Me not understand.
So when I go walk up and down, every man me I talk to, oh, how much partner you did have?
Man,
No, you did have too much
Shawna,
partner.
I'm talking about your partner now, not getting, I'm not the whole dating and getting to know and only lie down
That's
one
like
night
something
and
named
talk
bread
about
bag.
What's it? What?
Because it's 5 people, my friend. Very
cut you up.
I'm gonna ask you guys, please comment down in the comment section. Is there a limit to how many boyfriends your girlfriend should have before you, or how many girlfriends your boyfriend should have before you? Yeah, like before me you start there, what's the limit of guys that I should have dated? Like, is it that your girlfriend of a past 3 guys before you?
Basically, our body count.
Your friend,
our body count.
2 or what, Smaddy?
That's not possible. You're not in this world.
After that, you don't come
not in this world. That's not possible.
After my friend.
Right now, everybody want big girl is harmonious. So if you're not there with a bag of woman, you're not saying nothing. So
you still have decent people out there?
Me can't find
Thank you.
Who no look my life down here there?
See me decent, yeah. But I don't lie though, say, you can't. Me a man and a woman and what? Me do like all 5 girls and then boom, me say, yo, how much money I have? She'll come and she say, yo,
5 too.
You know, so don't me have, I think I say 5, make us say 15.
Fair is fair.
Say 15.
We thought 5. Why make almost 50?
Me just show you, say 15. Me I go, alright.
Is
5.
this like a story time I'm hearing?
10, 15. That will leave.
3 times.
That, but the quarter wish what she did there. And I wonder, oh, you're so quiz me, man, in our work. Yeah, like, which part the other part, one inside, it quiz me.
So me under
So me under down so. That's true. You can't, like, if you have 1, 2 or 3 over me, that, alright. Or 1, 4, me can't kill you. 1, 5. Oh God, I'm really heavy, but not God. Ooh. No, so come by if you sing. Make it that work.
Alright, next question. Would you rather have an American or a British accent?
American.
Why?
Because me like even I'm telling you, I love the British accent, right? But me can't take them serious when I argue. Them have to too proper. Me can't tell them say like when you're upset you're supposed to do ratchet and ghetto. You're not supposed to upset and be like, why did you do it? Like nobody does that, Kim.
No,
me
man.
can't bother with them accent when them upset.
Man.
No, when them upset it irritates because they speak too proper.
Is the British accent better to me?
Yeah. Me love it, but no, me like American accent.
I don't like. You speak good, you're alright. And you see if for instance you're say British and you have to cuss, well actually you talk. But you see because me have how me can say it? I have the opportunity to choose British, that means I can put on British and say, alright, look here, we can put it in my castle. And dip back to Jamaica and then go back. That's how we have to do it. We can't go down and go, why the bloody hell did you do that? No. Boom! Argument done.
Yeah.
So let's hear your best American accent then. Sean?
I was born at Denver, Asutalimape, not in America, so I don't know how to tell you.
Anyway, for me, it would be Britain. I absolutely love the British accent. I think it's very, very nice. It just... I like it.
Sassy.
It's nice.
Moody. Nice.
It's very, very nice. Have you...
Okay. I got a question. What if you're the person? You have your nigga for... Oh, sorry. You have a dude.
Yeah, nigga.
You have a dude for... like, you date 15 years. Never cheat and never nothing. Never break your heart.
How old do you think
Never
you
go
are?
against... Example. Never go against no one to say you're ready. You know? He never broke no trust or no commitment or something. And this one day, him happen for cheat on you. And you find out 15 years, you know, they go through thick, thin, fine, big, fat, swarty, dirty. You would have take him back? Or you would have take her back?
Why 15 years? What? That sounds like commitment. One. Me and her go through this and go through that 15 years.
15 years too long to start over, though.
You think I joke? Oh God. No fish out there, but Jesus Christ.
15 years to start over.
Good me say me left you and go out the road after the next chicken head. Jesus Christ. I get more about than the 50. But no man.
So you have to forgive and stay? Forgive
and stay. Well, 2 mistakes. Say alright. You don't say alright. Everything good, man. I got one party.
You cheat back.
Maybe not. Maybe.
You cheat back.
Look here. My girlfriend, I got you here. So
Kim. 15 years. Forgive or you gotta go?
15 years is a long time, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to be one of them people that will say, oh, a long time with this. I'm not going to forgive it just because. But at the same time, 15 years is a
what if
very
investment? That what if time?
That's
what
the
if
thing. And then if I 15 years,
emotions?
it means that what if things you do and I forgive you. And what if things me do and you forgive me. So,
but that one you're
if
epic
the
though.
first will happen in a 15 years, then chances are, yeah, I'm going to forgive you. Because that's a very long time. And one thing with me,
it depends on which part you're there to still, because if it's gonna go down like one little road where you see say all of this or
alright, so what is that forgive and get back, right?
It depends on the person too.
Yeah.
What if a baby coming at the picture?
Don't say like that.
What if a baby coming
You
at
would
the
have to
picture?
go unbreed the woman. Yeah, man.
Come on, baby, now hold on man again, you know.
No, what if a baby comes
No,
like
that's
no, I
ridiculous.
think him or
man.
she got cheat on you, DJ.
And come back with
and come
belly,
back with belly, or him got cheat on you and breed somebody out there. How would that go?
Look here, me young here, so me not think I did not in Jesus' name. It not gonna happen. So me
Where's the
know.
wood? Where's the wood?
Knock on wood. Knock on your penis.
So,
Sorry guys.
come back with belly in a full
I'm a little
house.
bit intoxicated guys.
Give me jacket. Lord God. And I hold it there when I room in a closet.
That makes
So you
Couldn't
say
wait
that
no more.
at
Couldn't
that
wait no
point
more.
the relationship over, right?
That point,
course,
when
you
they
want-
find out, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next one. What if you have a girl as your daughter? Duh. Oh. And you have a son, right?
As I said.
And your son and your daughter, I'm for just one day just wake up say, oh, they want to be the next gender. Would you support? Or what the next word?
Disclaimer. First of all, anybody out there who decides to change your gender, it's completely fine. You do what you want. You are who you decide that you are.
Right.
Whatever you feel, however you identify yourself, is how you identify yourself. Big up yourself. This ain't no judgment. The views expressed simply
Yes,
those by
our
you.
opinion.
Yes, yeah.
But it don't affect you. Live your best life. As long as you are happy, then we are happy. Big up yourself.
Right.
We love you.
This is just our opinion, guys. That don't mean so we have nothing against them.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Everybody free to do their own thing, like what she said before.
And how you raise your house is how you raise your house. So y'all do you.
So back
I
to
love
what I
y'all
said.
still.
Would you support?
My child.
Yeah, your child at 10.
Give me a
Your
son.
child
Give me
at
a
10
son
years
or a
old.
daughter. Which one? Which should I give me?
Daughter wanna be.
No. His
Wait.
son wants to be a girl.
Thank you. Because me tell you, me say me buy one day 38 there. Or me talk about me buy one dresses off the piece. You know what they want my shit. More one day 28 there. It well
Your
shine
10-year-old?
one. Oh, you mean?
Counsel him.
Consua.
Leave me alone.
Consua. Hey. Me say me make sure me a sharp big boss and put the one so I say, oh, me sure you have vibes here. Can no man come here son. And here I go and this here.
Wow.
No, it not work. Me not in enough of my talking with him right there, man. It's either me chop him or then take him. Or we say go on, is it them when I really push him out because he come like say he push him out to sit down in the have. I mean, not like.
Kim,
Strong view.
your opinion. Your daughter wanna be gay. What's your opinion on that?
It's hard for me to answer that question then because
You would support her?
I know persons from LGBTQ and I'm perfectly fine with it. Like, it don't bother me in my
Your
life.
daughter. Not
My
person you know. Your
Daughter. Oh my gosh. It wouldn't be so touchy. That's because, to be honest with you, for me, the reason I am who I am and how I am is because of how I was raised. So, because I'm not open to other things or because I don't have other experiences, it means that I'm going to raise my children like I was raised. And that is whatever you're born with, that's what you keep, you act accordingly. So it probably gonna be one of them conversations where I'm gonna say, well, you know what, honey, you have a right to express yourself and that is okay with me. But you were born with a vagina. Let's just celebrate that. It's great. You get to nag men. You get
we
to
all
do
know.
little stuff.
But we all know it's not that easy.
Until I
That's when
say,
you're gonna tell her the
and
power
Kim-
of.
Kim,
Tell
until
her
I
that
say,
sex feel good.
till I say after what she do
Even
that, she
for-
not have no uncle left. Just make sure know she not have no uncle.
Yaga done. She changes her vagina to a penis and you're done.
No, she not have no uncle. like you see, if you're part of family tree, she was carve it out right there, so she just me out of me not the
And
family
just
tree.
remind her, like, it is so amazing to be a woman. You know what things women get away with?
Yeah.
You get to be a baby. You get gifts. You get
Some man not get them
kisses.
something too. Alright, I'm glad they said that, right? Okay. Valentine Day a come. Is it fair just for the man alone a gift?
I like the
A
gifts
gift?
because I like
Yeah, a
gifts.
gift. Like the man alone give the woman a give back her man.
No.
What's your opinion? A gift.
Yes,
The
I
man
give
alone
her
a gift. You don't know
Yeah,
what
that
a
is
gift?
Give.
right.
A
The man-
gift.
No, gift. A
Alright.
gift.
He's
Alright.
gifting.
Yeah.
No, people don't know.
Sorry.
What's strong?
I'm told you. No strong, so.
You eat cement.
Anyways, let's say if you know, enough here. Enough here.
He just
No,
here.
enough here. No, enough here.
You just not hear what we're talking about.
Me I got there 1 week and I sit down in front of the table because some boobs have one pen and I say, alright, what
What does she
lingerie?
want?
One red lingerie.
Have you ever
Boobs.
bought a lingerie?
Know yourself, my
Never
business.
asked.
My business.
What I
A red lingerie, boobs a bottle,
If I
a
want
red
lingerie.
one came out of the business.
See, yeah, Mr. One red heels in the room in that corner.
Get out of my business.
Why your phone ringing then?
Look, another thing that she says that she may talk about.
If I cheat, no, let's see.
No, cause
Mommy.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
When your mama calls you, go running.
when you're still a little child, you gotta go take that phone call.
I look who talking about lingerie. I'm gonna call like he goes.
Yes, mommy.
But
Okay.
yeah, would you? Do you
No.
think it's fair that a guy should buy you gifts and you don't buy no?
Yes, absolutely, 100%.
You're such a.
Dick, I know. I joke. I feel like
That's
both
why
party.
single. Men, I see you jumping in the comments, but I like her. I want her. She don't buy gifts. Walk over.
No.
Step away. She don't
And
buy
people like, oh,
nothing.
stop. Back up, Kim. I don't make
Shit,
it
I
look-
see you liking the video because you like her, because she cute. She mean. She
I'm
don't buy
not.
nothing
I
for
wanna
nobody.
Remember be great, na Kim?
No.
And people like, oh, make man and left people.
Look somebody else, and my sister, I can tell you.
No, me never. Alright, I'm gonna tell you. Of course, my believe some man forget gifts, so, but girl forget more gifts. That's just my
I want this.
opinion.
No.
Man on
I
specific
like that.
days forget gifts. Like on his
Birthday.
birthday or Happy Father's Day. Other than that,
Every
Valentine's Day
Sunday.
or you know, yeah, that's all. The girl they forget everything.
Then you know what gonna happen then? Wait, boy, that's why hey, me saying
What you're putting is what you get out.
thank you. Mirror effect. If you look at me and you give me $20, me not give at the same time. Me just go some boobs I wait a little bit and me say you want $20.
Man, there's a
If I give you gifts, like for example, you see, you can tell the people that will have somebody, you know what I mean. You know
Well, I
what
don't
our
find
views
the man,
are?
but-
I'll give you
But I
something.
only find one for two boys that you know did kind and would have given anything, but other than that, I'd be a me man coming on my part of work.
Single.
Mean man, you mean
Yeah.
yourself.
No, the nigga they mean for true. Like dead ass.
If you say yo,
You
you're
know
a
me,
man, only something only thing you give up on your birthday, your father's
I
day.
joke me did I make
No,
me
you're not a joke, sir.
It hurts him.
You're not a joke, sir. Because watch out. If me go find a lot woman and know, well, me not expect nothing from her, man, you know. Don't get me wrong. But
Why?
but
As a man meet her, she start expect.
what
And
woman?
What
that-
the fuck she
No.
expect for me to?
No, watch a joke. Me not expect nothing from a gift from well, I expect one gift.
And that is what?
a baby.
No,
Wait, no.
Hmm?
And that is what?
she can't cook.
Oh, you're fresh.
Think of front and that. Those pies and them.
No, me can't cook. And she cook, she go eat.
Okay, so what if this girl pretty and everything, she can do everything except the fact that she cannot cook?
Look here, ugly
You
woman
would
there.
have still wife
Oh, you see?
ugly, pretty or
Ugly-
whatever,
ugly
but she
woman.
she can do everything except she cannot cook. Just cook, she can clean, everything she just can't cook. You know wife are?
Enough woman never.
Of course you can. First of all, you what?
Never. Me love my belly. Me can't wife up over the can't cook. You see when time I meet to girl, the first question I always ask them, yo, you can't cook. And I say, yo, me I go, can you come here and cook for me same time? You know, me have to
You
go.
know, son.
Me have to go give you a grace period. 90 days free trial. I see how you stay.
You can say free.
Yeah, like a free trial. I see how you stay
That's
first.
not fair. You know what my dad said to me the other day? You will not find anybody that is perfect or exactly like you. You find somebody and you talk about your differences and you guys decide whether or not your difference and my difference can mesh. And we decide if we can live with each other's differences. You understand me? So I mean, and then the other day, me did I talk to one couple. Me and Jeff did I talk to one couple about like relationships and how things happen. and the wife was saying to me that if you find that you are the better person at something, don't force the guy to do it. If you are best at cleaning, don't force him to clean. If he's best at raking the yard, don't force yourself to rake the yard. Anything that you're best at doing, you do it and stop forcing other person to do it. That way the relationship balance. If you can save. So if she good at cleaning and stuff and you are the chef, cook the damn food and humble yourself.
Why none of them cannot cook? Everybody just like a dead for hungry, so?
You know damn shit.
Oh, there's no that.
No, Rabbi, just
You know what he said that?
cook and pour the rice and
Cup soup sell.
I want a guy who can cook too, because I know every day I'm going to feel like mislead.
You're not gonna get no money to me.
I know every day I'm going to feel like mislead. Sometimes they can say, yo, I don't feel like cook to them.
Do you see the single thing above her head? Single.
I mean too.
When you take me on a blind date, I'm available.
A blind date? No, some people need to see because when they go there and say, order what you want, they go to jump chip or chip with that. That me I tell you.
One more question?
Yeah, I don't have no more.
Do you have any?
Me? Why woman miserable?
Bro, everybody
miserable. No, God no.
Everybody miserable.
Why woman no under that? You read it though, I have one man and you just get up. We have one so loud for. I go so alright then. Boom. You stretch, I want to crack. You're disgusting.
This sound like a person.
Alright. You did it now. You have fried egg. You fry egg and you just love bone up you. What?
This is definitely a personal experience.
You fry egg too low. No, actually
I have a message right now.
No, I know so she stay.
DJ, I have a message by you too.
I know so she stay.
I know
so she stay.
I'm gonna tell.
Okay, so who cheat more? No, who cheat best?
Women.
Women cheat best?
Yep.
I think so too.
Yep.
What do you think, DJ?
It don't really matter to me, you know. If you give bun fit bun, that's so you go.
No, don't be biased. Who cheat best?
You see when that one woman is when that woman give one man bun, most when that man wife woman, then
so I'm to when the woman husband the man.
And that you know, let me show you how because you see
what?
It's so when the man wife the girl, so when the girl husband the man.
No sense.
To she makes sense. But if you do, you did damn boom. You know your money you want to sit there and some boy, you go some boobs.
You think I want something else?
No, well, just relax now. I'm done. Sure. Enough. You go to the cat there and boom. Remember say one woman receive and a man give. And when you sit down and your meds, women go along with your woman. Because let's start pick out. Yes, so feel that's why those stepping night so.
So when the woman sit down and med, what you give the woman? Yeah, clean say hot. Just cheat back. Cheat to cheat.
He hot man, he hot.
Women do it best, men do it more.
Yeah. And just that because you did it, you know kind of, you know how you go along bad man and you know which parts will go where, which parts will go where, then what. You want everybody go find the same spot. But Lord.
Oh my gosh.
This is my little brother.
Yeah.
This is the most awkward conversation I've had today.
I'll be DJ.
Okay?
But he hot man.
How you know?
Look here, that
How much bun you get?
2?
You get bun?
Yeah man, cheese too, Easter.
The one with the raisin, I tell you know which one that to the raisin? But she keep on cheat and go back, cheat and go back.
But you can never say when she have freckles. So
oh yeah, freckles raisin.
Not telling a lie about the hot man. I always want to go to him and say, you know you do it. No, I don't do nothing. And boobs they find out. I'm 6 times in the back. That's even 2 times 6.
Okay, so what do you think lead up to cheating?
Tell me, see pro, yeah.
See pro? No, me a pro for getting bun.
That's tell us what led her to do it.
I don't know. Maybe she just have
in performance, like a lot in performance, or she ready eye, she might say a nigga with something and want it and you know.
Most ready eye because couple like a static no dream, I don't know. God no. Let's let that right there.
Yeah,
but I'm not lie.
Stubbornness continues.
But I'm not lie. I couldn't that. Maybe she ready eye. Maybe her eye purple and I don't know. Maybe she just can't satisfy. Or maybe she used to get more than one, so one can't satisfy her.
First of all, if the woman is more exposed, one of two things will happen. She will expose you, or she will get exposure and left you. And that's what happened to you.
Right.
You know what's happening?
It sounds like that happened. It don't sound like that happened.
That happened
At
to me.
least it's not like you have vent for you. Cause everything we bring up here tell us.
Cost the girl.
Firstly, let me say this.
Oh,
Me
look
not
at
drop no word for none of my ex them. God know. Or because me know some girlfriend that go watch this stuff, so I got a problem to watch it good later.
Okay.
Good later.
So,
Alright.
who is the worst ex? Name a drop today.
No.
Name a drop. Who is the worst ex? Kim, start from you.
Satan.
That me I talk
Satan.
about.
In Jesus' name, you will rebuke him.
Incube.
Who is the worst ex?
I don't want
Succubus after the woman. Incubus is yes.
Incubus I don't know. No, I succubus. A woman that.
Kim, who is the worst ex?
Succubus.
My word. Oh, define worse. Worse in terms of
Regret.
what? Regret. Oh my God.
Like everything just.
To be honest, I don't have a regret because I don't know one.
That is very true.
Which one of your ex teacher the most
The
lesson?
first one, because that was the longest. The first.
The first one being what?
Yeah. You teach me saying with you, somebody can love you with half of them heart, and then the next half they use do everything what they want to do to you, and then tell you, you know, I love you. You mean the world to me. I cannot breathe. Take a look rub down your fool. Chow, do it back. Chow.
They can be the
cannot
word emoji,
breathe
you never
when I'm
mean the
next to you.
word.
And then go to somebody else and say, you know what? Let's just do this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
But I don't regret it because I learned a lot. And I actually appreciate the lessons. Thank you for that. Yeah.
Would you rather be single or go back to your ex? What broke your heart? And most of our ex broke your heart.
Now,
Be
put
single for the rest of your life or go back to your ex who broke your heart for 3 years?
First of all,
What about me hand feel? It's soft, no?
I don't feel like I'm.
No, it's soft.
Yeah.
It's a rough. To go back to the checks.
Last year, you!
Oh, back to the
You
checks.
just let me feel that!
Back to the checks.
So you rather be single for the rest of your life?
I mean,
And you Miss Palmer and have 5 children then?
make them hand.
I feel like you're dirty up me hand.
Yeah, for you too much.
No, my hand is very soft.
I didn't know what he was gonna say. God.
It's come like a concrete or a construction up middle. Me no depend. Me depend on ex business, no. No, sir.
Well, I would not be single for the rest of my life. What I would do is break up with my no sweetheart and then go back to him, so he would be the ex that I'm back with.
Okay.
Cause
Would I go back to the ex? I'm not tired of being single, yeah, man.
You know, fun.
Link me up back ex.
It not work. It not work. It not work.
I joke.
It not work.
I
It not
joke.
work.
Okay, but sometimes I better be single and just go on, you know.
There's nothing wrong with being single. You're free. You do like, for example, me that tell Sean this morning say when you're single, your phone never ever dry. My phone has never been as dry as when you're in a relationship.
Not that, no.
Desert.
But true, because when you're single,
When
you
you're
have,
single-
you have at least have 5 somebody if you want to.
Blink, 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 blink,
You know, you can just say, oh, pull up.
But I know that.
Pull up.
But actually, I talk to you know, but you know what? When they just go into a relationship and then guess what
Your
go on
phone
now?
still left on
No,
hotline.
your phone hot,
You
man.
of course.
Your phone hot, it does the phone so.
And you feel like you're at market
Yeah, man. I move everybody want it all of a sudden when nobody they want it when they this thing, you know. At the time, them know if it cost
Don't
them.
people say shit, you not hear shit, son.
No, how shit sound?
You not hear.
He might do it tonight, little box.
Stop. You walk.
Let him
That man is mashing shit like him belly
He
around.
let me run. Give him fish.
It's alright to have a doodle conversation. Wow.
I give him fish this morning.
Bomba! Kim!
I mean a shit. Yeah, ball out Kim.
No, not smelling shit.
You hear me on to shit.
No, Kim.
Yeah, guys, this is the end of the video, guys.
We can't taste
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, guys, and comment your favorite Bomba. Bomba, come here.
Kim on, you know who that kid.